Spotter Studio AI has just launched, and if you're curious about whether it's the next game-changing AI tool for your business or creative projects, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. In this review, I'm breaking down everything that could make or break your decision to use this software. Stick around till the end because I'll share my top AI recommendations for those looking for software that can save time, increase productivity, and boost results. Let's get straight to it. Spotter Studio AI promises a powerful suite of tools that leverages artificial intelligence to help creators and digital marketers streamline their processes. From automating tasks to generating content, this tool does a lot. But is it really as good as they say? Here's what I've found. First, Spotter Studio AI is designed with simplicity in mind. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned professional or a beginner. The interface is clean, easy to use, and surprisingly intuitive. You don't need to spend hours learning how to navigate it. The AI-driven automation helps you save time on repetitive tasks, like content creation, social media management, and email campaigns, without the headache of manually doing everything. Now let's talk features. One of the key highlights of Spotter Studio AI is its ability to automate content generation. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media captions, or email newsletters, the software can help you generate high-quality text in a fraction of the time it would take manually. It's not just about speed either. The AI is designed to produce relevant, context-aware content, meaning it understands what you're trying to achieve and adapts accordingly. You can tweak the tone and style as well, so it sounds exactly how you want. Another huge benefit is the built-in analytics. Spotter Studio AI allows you to track the performance of your content in real time. This is a game changer for digital marketers. No more guessing if your content is resonating with your audience. The software provides detailed insights that help you make data-driven decisions and optimize future campaigns. One of the most exciting features is its ability to automate A/B testing for your content. Spotter Studio AI will run tests on different versions of your emails, landing pages, or social media posts, and then analyze the results to give you actionable insights. This takes the guesswork out of optimization and helps you quickly fine-tune your strategies for the best results. What really stands out, though, is how Spotter Studio AI integrates with other tools. Whether you're working with Google Analytics, MailChimp, or other platforms, the integration is seamless. This makes it easier to work within your existing workflow without having to completely overhaul your systems. Now, if you're thinking about trying it out, you can do so for completely free through the first link below. It's a great opportunity to test out all the features for yourself before committing. The AI also allows you to automate client communications, saving you significant time on back-and-forth emails and messages. Whether you're managing a team or interacting with clients, the software simplifies those tasks with pre-built templates, dynamic responses, and more. Finally, the support and community around Spotter Studio AI are top-notch. They offer live chat, helpful resources, and regular updates. The team behind it is focused on making sure you get the most out of the software, and it shows in how responsive and helpful they are. So after trying thousands of AI tools, I can say that Spotter Studio AI has a lot to offer for digital marketers, content creators, and businesses. If you're looking for a tool that's simple to use, effective at automating your workflows, and packed with powerful features, this one might be worth your attention. Again, you can try it out for free via the link below and see for yourself. And by the way, after trying out countless AI tools, I've also curated a list of my top AI software recommendations for people looking for the best in the industry. Check the description for my personal picks. You won't want to miss out on these.